Welcome to the CME Group. We're on the floor here. You're getting in the zone, the CMZ zone. I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. We're going to go over a few things, what happened last night. Basically, S&Ps came out, downgraded Spain from AAA to AAA minus with a negative outlook. Well, the market in the Euro FX had been trading around 138, came down all the way around 117-ish, I think it was. And then basically the market said, hey, you know what, if you downgrade everybody, what's the point? All right, well, that's that. We got onto import price index this morning. Basically came out a little bit higher than we had expected, which means the Eurozone's prices coming into America are a little bit high. That's going to make it a little bit difficult for Trichet to try and say to the EU, we need to lower rates right now when they're looking at a little bit of inflation going on. All right, going on to business inventories, this morning's number. You saw on CNBC, Kevin Ferry said that the business inventory started upticking a little bit, but one of the sub numbers that they didn't get to was the business sales. Business sales actually started down ticking a little bit. That's not really good when you got those higher inventories and you can't offload any of your inventories that you got in stock that you're just building up. All right. Basically, the S&P, the Dow, Euro FX, all these indices are really starting to press up against really key resistance areas. We need to get the S&Ps above 1225 and settle there in order for us to start regaining some bulls in the market, maybe get some of those short covers that thinks that we're going to go back down, they're going to start buying in. We need the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures to get up around 11,563-ish. We can settle above up into the 11,565 area for today. That's going to get some upward momentum going into the stock market. Euro FX also, we'll get back up into, like I said, that 138 area. We're trying to press up against it a little higher. If we can get up and settle above 139 in the euro, I think you're going to really start seeing some major moves up to maybe 144 area. Gold's still stuck in this range. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't seem like it's lost its luster. Basically, everybody's just kind of letting it flag out on a technical standpoint. We're basically between 1625-ish to about 1690. It's not even really testing the 1700 levels like I thought it was. We need to really get above 1700 in order to get the bulls really buying into that and getting a real rally going. All right, the trend in the treasury markets, it's starting to sell off. Yesterday, Rick Santilli on CNBC gave it an A. All it did was really give all investors that have been long all those treasuries before operations twist, like we talked about, get an opportunity to sell out of it. That's basically come right back down to pre-auction levels from yesterday.